Well, this is a glue applicator. It supplies hot glue to the gun when you want to seal paper packets. It is inline and it seals a lot of packets per minute. A very good machine, but unfortunately when they become old, they have so many problems. The ribbon cables perish. The software packs up. The printed circuit boards gets dry and starts malfunctioning. Now, if you want to rebuild this thing using the original spares, then you have to be a billionaire, because it is extremely expensive, especially if you are in Africa. Because I think this machine is built in America and things are just very, very expensive. So I thought, since I have the laser printer, I have the the laser cutter, I have the 3D printer, and AliExpress, you can get anything you want, your heart desires, from AliExpress, from China. And I decided 2 years ago, I rebuilt the first one, but I did not record anything. This picture it's complete, and it's actually working at the moment. Now, let me go to CorelDRAW. That is where I start. Now, in CorelDRAW, if you want to use the laser cutter, obviously you have to design whatever you want to cut, and from CorelDRAW, this specific page is the engraving page. What is nice about the 2-3's laser engraver cutter, it will engrave for you and it will also cut for you. So yeah, I've got the cutouts and whatever is supposed to be engraved. And these are the side pieces. So from here, I saved the files and took it to Laser Gerbil, and I did the cutouts. Now, the rest is up to the 3D printer, and we can go to Design Spark, because that is where the design of the 3D printing is done. Now, in Design Spark, I had to print the door and the clip that will keep the door closed. So this was designed here, and I printed this on the Creality Ender 3. This is the actual door, and as you can see, it's got a insert here for the glass to cover it. And then what is so nice about 3D printing, you don't have to run around looking for things. The hinges, I was fortunate that I could design this hinge. Took me a bit of time, but I succeeded eventually. And it prints this hinge very nicely. Now what is good about it, if you look at, if I remove that part, the 3D printer actually prints the hinge with the pin inside. So it's a solid thing, there's no pin to be added, and you can print at any size you like. So if I put that back and I remove that, then you'll see if your tolerances are correct, then it prints this hinge very, very well. Now let us go to the actual video. Now this is the Ender 3 printing the hinges, and it actually prints them in a very quick. I didn't print the holes because I drilled them later on. And this is the actual box that is now finished. Let me reverse it a bit, then we look at the box. I can pause it. This is the actual temperature controllers. You have the tank, you have the manifold, you have the gun, and you have the hose. This light, once I press the button here, it will switch on the controls. And if I want to switch off, I just press the button again. This light will come on and it will blink, pulse, until the machine is ready, and then it will stop blinking and it will be on full time. That is the pneumatics. I threw out everything from within here of the old machine, and I replaced with this Mitsubishi PLC, and then I wrote a program. So there is no more need for any printed circuit boards or anything like that. I can also control the gun from here now, and I can spray a pattern if I want. Well, I did program a pattern. So technology has advanced, and this PLC replaces so many old hardware. So yeah, it is. This was so cheap. if you order all these spare parts from AliExpress, it is you cannot even compare the cost. So this is the second one that I've done, and the first one has been working now for 2 years without a problem. Thank you for watching.